veteran West Indies fast bowler Andy Roberts having a forthright say again about some of the latest developments surrounding West Indies cricket. Roberts said that coaching is being made a scapegoat for the failures of the cricket. Roberts instead pointed to poor player development from the youth level right up to the seniors. Sir Andy suggested that we start at the under 15 level and build up. And in a sense, I agree with Sir Andy. We could have fired 1,000 coaches, it won't make a difference. Question to Sir Andy though, how do we focus on youth development when generally the youths in the region are not interested in playing cricket? I wonder if Sir Andy understands the myriad of complexities crippling the resurgence of West Indies cricket. Sir Andy, they have a thing named technology. They have a gadget named the laptop and another one named the smartphone. Yes. Sir Andy, you ever hear about YouTube and Instagram and Pink Wall and the WhatsApp and TikTok and FaceTime? Sir Andy, hold on, may I show you something, Sir Andy? You see this? Yes. This is a smartish phone. Yes. Sir Andy, and this of the youth them. Yes, them don't want to play no cricket. Hold on. I soon call you back. I soon call you back. Hold on, Sir Andy. Sir Andy, I forget back to you, Sir Andy.